Hi, I'm lovely Gia Acdal. I took up Diploma in Fundamentals and Modern Professional Culinary Arts at Global Academy, Makati Branch. I took up culinary arts because of my love and passion for cooking. I always find sense of fulfillment every time I see my loved ones enjoying the foods I prepared. Inspired by Global Academy's alumni stories and the Philippine Culinary Cups, I decided to take a formal culinary training last 2016. As part of the program, I decided to take my internship in the United States at South Seas Island Resort, a 350-hectare resort in Captiva, Florida, from May 2018 to April 2019. The experience encompassed working in banquets, action station events, and a rotation through different restaurant outlets from pantry to headline production. Coping up was not hard for me since Global Academy prepared me for a very good culinary foundation from my in-house training to comprehensive exams. The journey is not easy, as aside from being physically demanding, working long hours standing, pushing and lifting, to experiencing burns and cuts. The pressure and heat from the kitchen sometimes consumes me. But at the end of the day, you will realize that no matter how tired you are, you made the guests happy. You did a great job with your team, and you love what you are doing. There is a sense of fulfillment. Global Academy opened doors for me and gave me endless possibilities. They gave me the confidence to face the real culinary world and equipped me these necessary skills and values in handling the tons of pressure and challenges. This internship learning experience was truly an eye-opener. It brought me out of my comfort zone that I was able to know more myself, had the chance to work with multicultural people, and explore the United States. As I could say, having my internship in the United States is one of the best decisions I had ever made. Now, I am finally ready to face the future and become more determined to pursue my goal as a chef someday. I am blessed and grateful for this experience and big thanks to Global Academy. So, there's my story. Come join Global Academy and imagine the possibilities. It's time to put your culinary career in full color.